In today's interconnected global economy, businesses are no longer confined by geographical borders. Companies, even small ones, often deal with international clients, suppliers, or employees, leading to transactions in multiple currencies. For any business operating on the international stage, having accounting software that can seamlessly handle these foreign currency transactions is not just a convenience, but a necessity. This brings us to a crucial question for users considering this popular accounting solution. Is Zoho Books multi-currency? As an accounting software expert, I can definitively state that yes, Zoho Books is multi-currency. This feature is a cornerstone of its appeal for businesses engaged in international trade, providing the tools necessary to manage financial transactions across different currencies accurately and efficiently. Understanding multi-currency in accounting software. Before diving into the specifics of Zoho Books, let's understand what multi-currency support truly entails in an accounting system. It's more than just being able to list prices in different currencies on an invoice. A robust multi-currency feature allows you to set a base currency. This is your primary operating currency, the currency in which your financial reports, like your profit and loss statement and balance sheet, are presented. Transact in foreign currencies. Create invoices, bills, expenses, and receive/make payments in currencies other than your base currency. Automatically update exchange rates. The software should ideally fetch real-time exchange rates to apply to transactions. Handle exchange rate fluctuations. Account for gains or losses that arise when exchange rates change between the time a transaction is recorded and the time it's settled, e.g., between invoicing and payment. Maintain multi-currency bank accounts. Link bank accounts that hold foreign currencies directly to the software. Generate multi-currency reports. View reports that show balances and transactions in both foreign currencies and their converted base currency equivalents. Zoho Books multi-currency capabilities. A closer look. Zoho Books is designed to handle all these aspects, making it a powerful tool for businesses with international operations. Here's how it typically works. Setting your base currency. When you first set up your Zoho Books organization, you'll define your base currency. This is usually the currency of your primary business location. All your core financial reports will be generated in this currency. Adding foreign currencies. You can easily add multiple foreign currencies to your Zoho Books account. Once added, you can associate these currencies with specific customers and vendors. This means that if you have a client in the United States who prefers to be invoiced in USD, even if your base currency is Euro, you can set USD as their preferred currency. Creating foreign currency transactions. You can create various transaction types in foreign currencies, including invoices and estimates. Send professional invoices and estimates to your international clients in their preferred currency. Bills and expenses. Record bills from foreign vendors and log expenses incurred in other currencies. Payments. Receive payments from clients and make payments to vendors in the specified foreign currencies. Automated exchange rate updates. Zoho Books is smart enough to automatically fetch exchange rates from reliable third-party providers, like Open Exchange Rates, and apply them to your foreign currency transactions. This significantly reduces manual effort and helps ensure accuracy. While rates are typically updated automatically, you also have the flexibility to manually adjust exchange rates if you need to use a specific rate for a particular transaction, e.g., if your bank used a different rate for a conversion. Handling exchange rate gains and losses. This is a crucial aspect of multi-currency accounting. When you invoice a client in USD, and by the time they pay you, the exchange rate between USD and your base currency, e.g. Euro, has changed, there will be a difference. Zoho Books automatically calculates and records these realized exchange rate gains or losses, ensuring your books accurately reflect the true value of your transactions. It also helps you manage unrealized gains and losses on open invoices or foreign currency bank balances, which adjust as exchange rates fluctuate. Multi-currency bank accounts. You can link bank accounts that hold foreign currencies directly to Zoho Books. This allows for seamless reconciliation of foreign currency transactions and provides a clear overview of your cash position across all currencies. Comprehensive reporting. Zoho Books provides a suite of reports that consider your multi-currency transactions. You can view reports like your profit and loss statement and balance sheet in your base currency, with all foreign currency transactions converted. This gives you a consolidated view of your financial health. Additionally, you can often view specific reports that detail transactions per foreign currency, providing granular insights. Benefits for your business. For a project manager or business owner, the multi-currency capability in Zoho Books offers several significant advantages. Global reach and professionalism. Easily do business with clients and vendors worldwide, presenting invoices and managing payments in their local currencies. This enhances your professional image and simplifies transactions for your international partners. Accuracy and compliance. Automatic exchange rate updates and the systematic handling of gains/losses ensure your financial records are accurate and compliant with accounting principles, reducing the risk of errors in complex international transactions. Time savings. Automating exchange rate updates and transaction recording saves valuable time that would otherwise be spent on manual calculations and adjustments. This time can be redirected to core business activities. Improved cash flow management. By allowing clients to pay in their preferred currency, you remove a potential barrier to payment, potentially speeding up your accounts receivable process and improving cash flow. Better financial insight. Consolidated reports give you a clear, real-time understanding of your overall financial performance, irrespective of the currencies involved. You can see your true profit and loss, even with currency fluctuations.